Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me. I'm going to be painting a step-by-step watercolor painting of some wildflowers in the landscape. This is a drawing and sketch. I will place the pencil drawing and sketch of this flower on the end of the video. You can do screenshot if you want it. Here are the materials I'm going to be using. Colors on my palette colors, brushes, Da Vinci matte brush and round brush, masking fluid and masking fluid eraser. This is the masking fluid. Apply masking fluid on the flowers. I'm using watercolor paper 9 by 12 inch. It's a rough surface. Masking fluid all dried, so apply water on the watercolor paper with big washi brush. I made a bluish violet, ultramarine mix and bright violet. I'm working wet on wet style, starting at the top and foreground because I want to make a harmony of colors. I got a little bit of yellow ochre and burnt sienna. Move brush stroke, horizontal and vertical lines. It's darker at the top, and now I am putting a little bit of burnt sienna. Don't worry about the colors. If you don't have yellow ochre, you could use burnt sienna mix yellow. I will touch up with burnt sienna and dropping the clean water. It will be spread. Take some bit of bright violet. Bright violet mix ultramarine deep. We got bluish violet. I'm adding in the center of the flowers. This is the magenta. And then drag out the colors from center to edge of the flowers. I'm just dropping a little bit of the darker color now. And this is the leaves. Paint in a foreground, use Da Vinci map brush. Really move your brush stroke each time quickly from down to up to down, like vertical lines, and a little bit of stronger colors. That is the kind of olive green. This is a sap green, and I got some little bit darker sap green mix ultramarine deep. I'm painting stems. Burnt sienna mix sap green. Glasses and some flowers. These are a little bit further in the distance. Actually, I don't know what's the name these flowers. Okay, I'm taking out the masking fluid and starting flowers with bright violet. First, to start very light green colors, and I'm adding thick and stronger violet. I'm adding magenta. This is, I got some sap green. Adding sap green on the leaves, on the flowers. Move to next flowers. I'll paint in the same and using the same colors, same stroke and same brush, same color. First apply very light color, and next putting the darker color in the middle of the center flower. I'm putting ultramarine deep. I'm adding on the stem with magenta. Next flowers, this is the poppy. So I'm going to use orange, reddish orange. I'm doing same way all on the all flowers. This painting almost done. I'm doing final touch-up. This flower is not bloom yet, so this one is kind of bushy, so I don't know what's the name. I think this is final flowers. I finished this painting. The importance of pencil drawing cannot be emphasized enough. I usually draw the theme of the day before coloring. It will be helping to figure out the theme. I strongly recommend you. I hope you guys like it and you should try this one. Thank you for watching and for all your support. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I hope I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.